Hello, hello. Uh, we here discuss about practical experiment gravimetric analysis. The result for this experiment is already sent by Nikum sir in our group, chemistry group, on 3rd January. You see that experiment, that one is sent for journal writing purpose, that is notebook writing purpose. Here we discuss theory and procedure and calculations and result for this gravimetric analysis experiment that already sent to you as a experiment number 3. See here, what is gravimetric analysis first? What is analysis? What is chemical analysis? If you are given a mixture, then analysis of that mixture means to determine the component present in that mixture. And that analysis is different type of analysis: gravimetric analysis, volumetric analysis, then titrimetric analysis, conductometric analysis. That is based on different methods used for analysis. In volumetric analysis, we determine volume, that is amount of solution used. In volume we measure in ml, that is cm cube. While in gravimetric analysis, we measure amount in grams. We measure this. Analysis is based on measurement of amount of substance in gram. Therefore, it is known as gravimetric analysis. For FYBAC level, that you have supplied mixture, known mixture. For example, mixture of KCl and NH4Cl, mixture of barium sulfate and ammonium chloride, that is BaSO4 NH4Cl, as like that. Sorry. Here, out of this, and that which mixture is given is known, that is NH4Cl and BaSO4 mixture, that one is supplied to you. Then what is your aim in this experiment? Your aim is to determine how much quantity of BaSO4 and how much quantity of NH4Cl is mixed in your supplied mixture. That is quantity of that BaSO4 and NH4Cl present in that mixture. You have to measure, calculate experimentally that exact amount of BaSO4 and NH4Cl in a given mixture, supplied mixture. This is the aim of your experiment. If we consider barium sulfate and NH4Cl, then one of the component, that is BaSO4, is here stable to heat. That is, if we heat if we give strong heating to this mixture in a glass crucible, specially supplied glass crucible. That glass crucible is so designed by special glass. We sustain temperature up to 400 degree, 500 degree Celsius, and in that crucible we place that known amount of mixture, say W gram of mixture we place in that crucible, and we heat strongly that crucible for half hour or 1 hour or 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, sorry, 1.5 hour. Then after strong heating, here what happen in mixture? One of the component is stable, that remains in the crucible after heating also, because on that component no effect of heat, that is BaSO4. But for another component NH4Cl is unstable to heat. On heating that crucible strongly up to 1.5 hour, that NH4Cl evaporates completely. That solid NH4Cl directly converted into vapors and removed from that mixture. And of course, therefore, weight of mixture before heating not remains same as the weight of mixture after heating. We calculate weight of mixture before heating, say that one is W gram, and weight of mixture after heating if we calculate, then that there is a loss in weight. Why loss in weight? Because one of the component during heating which was volatile and that evaporates, remove completely from that mixture, and therefore there is loss in weight after heating. And that loss in weight is proportional to amount of that NH4Cl present in that mixture. And if we calculate experimentally loss in weight, this one is very simple experiment. Take known amount of mixture, that is W gram, by weighing on balance, electric balance. Take that accurate weight of mixture in crucible, place that crucible on heating system, heat strongly up to 1 hour or 1.5 hour, and then cool, and again take accurate weight of that crucible and mixture. Then if we subtract that, if we that weight of mixture calculate after heating, we already known weight of mixture before heating. Then that difference between weight of mixture before heating and after heating gave weight of loss in weight, and from that loss in weight we calculate. Why loss in weight? Because one of the component volatile which evaporates, and therefore that results in loss in weight. And from that loss in weight we calculate amount of that volatile component present in the mixture. This is all theory and procedure for that experiment. If we here procedure is very simple. See here procedure. Weigh completely dry crucible with proper lid, and note down the weight as a gram. Then add that BaSO4 NH4 mixture slowly and weigh accurate, that is about 0.8 to 1 gram, note down as a B. Then heat that crucible by covered with lid for about 10 minutes first. Then after that heat again up to 15 minutes. Continue heating up to 1 hour we consider. Then after heating, stop heating. Then transfer the crucible in desiccator. Desiccator is instrument which provides dry atmosphere. And then heat uh, heat again for 2-3 minutes, and then after in a desiccator sometime cool that, and finally weigh that crucible plus lid plus mixture, that gives weight of mixture crucible lid after heating as a C. Then what is the reaction, chemical reaction for this experiment takes place during this experiment during heating? BaSO4 NH4 mixture on heating convert to BaSO4 stable remains as it is, NH4Cl converted to NH3 and HCl that are volatile removed from mixture. Then here discuss we now calculation weight of crucible plus lid and mixture as a B. Then weight of only BaSO4 and NH4 mixture is say W gram, that is B minus A. B is nothing but crucible plus lid plus mixture, and A only crucible, empty crucible, dry crucible plus lid, that is A. Therefore B minus A gives W, that is nothing but weight of mixture before heating. Then after heating, weight of crucible plus lid plus that mixture, that is residue, that is considered C. Then loss in weight B minus C, that is say X gram. Then that W gram of mixture loses X gram of NH4Cl. W gram of mixture, which is W is mixture, weight of mixture you taken from 0.8 gram to 1 gram, 1.0 gram, between that. Then amount of BaSO4 in W gram mixture, amount of BaSO4 in W gram mixture, that is W minus X. X is loss in weight. That loss in weight is nothing but that volatile component NH4Cl. Therefore W minus X is nothing but Y, which is nothing but BaSO4 present in that mixture, weight of stable component present in that mixture. Then percentage purity of that BaSO4 is nothing but Y upon W into 100, that gives percentage of BaSO4 in that mixture, percentage of BaSO4 in that mixture. What is Y? Y is nothing but that W minus X. And what is W? Weight of mixture BaSO4 plus NH4Cl mixture, which is taken into 100, that gives percentage purity of BaSO4. Write a result as a percentage purity of BaSO4 is equal to dash dash percent. That PDF sent to you on 3rd January by Nikum sir, that all calculations and readings are supplied in that PDF as experiment number 3. Use that readings for writing your experiment in a notebook. Thank you.